Reminder ni Coach Miranda sa inyo ngayon. 3 sharp market psychology reminders during war conditions. Number 1, volatility is emotional, not always rational. During geopolitical conflict, price action is heavily driven by fear, headlines, and uncertainty, hindi fundamentals. Except exaggerated moves, both up and down. Don't confuse volatility with trend direction. Stay to your rules, not emotion be driven. Number 2, cash is a position, patience is alpha. You don't need to trade every headline. Trade the reaction, not the news. In war cycles, matutuyo ang liquidity at fake breakouts can increase. Sitting in cash is a strategic decision, hindi siya opportunity miss. Preserve your capital first, deploy later with clarity. Lastly, the market rewards the disciplined trader, not the predictor. Hindi mo maa-outguess ang gera news. What you can control is risk management, position sizing, stop loss, and invalidation levels. Survivors on these markets are not the smartest, but they are the most consistent in risk management. Ulitin ko, survivors in this market are not the smartest. Sila yung most consistent in risk management. Tandaan nyo lagi, trade safe, plan your trades and trade your plan, think long-term, and of course, i-add mo na, follow Coach Miranda Miner.
Ikaw ay nakikinig kay Coach Miranda Miner sa Daily Crypto Live.